Green banana. Cut off the end. Peel off the skin with a knife. Bananas are ready. 2 gram, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder. 2 gram, 1 tablespoon salt. 32 gram, 4 tablespoon water. Turmeric powder is for color rather than taste, so it can be omitted. Slice the banana immediately in the heated oil. In an 18 cm small pot, put half a banana and fry it. Be careful not to add too many bananas at once, as they will not become crispy. Add 1 tablespoon of turmeric water for color and salt. Mix well. Fry the bananas until they are crispy in the middle. Remove the bananas before they turn brown. Green bananas contain a lot of starch, so if you fry them, they become crispy chips. Yellow bananas don't become chips as starch turns to sugar. This time, slice the banana to be baked in the oven. 1 gram, half teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 gram, half teaspoon salt. 50 gram, 5 tablespoon cooking oil. Mix well to dissolve the salt. Apply turmeric oil. Mix evenly. Remove the overlapping part and spread it well. Lay out one at a time in the oven. After moving to an oven preheated to 170 degrees Celsius, 338 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake at 170 degrees Celsius, 338 degrees Fahrenheit, for 17 to 20 minutes. May vary depending on oven specifications. It's crispy. My body is an adult, but my mouth is a banana scenery that makes me start to get excited like a kid. Wow! Crisp, crunchy. It's a really dangerous snack. Really tasty. Homemade sweets are more delicious if you put a lot of them in one bite and eat them luxuriously.